Hi, it's Melanie from my treatment room, and today I'm going to talk to you about low maintenance skincare. If you could do an entire day and night skincare routine with only 3 products, what are the ingredients you need and what products can get you by without having to have like 5 to 12 things every day or in your medicine cabinet? If you're not like me and you don't have a back bar at your disposal of all of these professional products, then keeping it simple is sometimes the best way to know that you are taking great care of yourself. Today we're talking about vitamin C is my first one, retinol, and then SPF. And you can do all of this in a trio, a 3-step skincare program. The first thing I'm going to talk to you about is cleanser. A really great makeup remover is this vitamin C, Vital C cleanser. It will also hydrate your skin, leave behind a little bit of moisture, and really help, again, removing that makeup. In these cleansers too, we have AHAs and BHAs, which means that your skin is exfoliating. We are not just cleansing your dead skin, which is something that cleansers do all too often. Also, no bad ingredients. So if you are not looking for parabens, you're looking for a skincare line that omits certain things that have been linked to illness, this is for you. And this little bottle should be lasting you about 4 to 6 months. The reason for that is it's concentrated, so it is not full of lathering ingredients. To lather this, you start with a pea size and you add more water. You do not add more product. So there's vitamin C, which is one of the leading ingredients to help your skin with antioxidants and to moisturize your skin. So even though we're cleansing, we can still put something good in, like vitamin C. The other ingredient that you need for your skin is an intense exfoliator, and that's why Ageless Total Eye Lift is still our #1 product today. So this is the product that most people are getting. This is an eye cream. It's great for retinol. Don't use it right before you get an eyebrow wax, but you can concentrate it in the eye area and also the forehead and where other lines are at. So if you're not into buying the extra stem cell skincare creams, which I absolutely love, this is a great alternative that you can concentrate in more areas than just the eye. What retinol does is exfoliate deeply. This is a strong dose of vitamin A, which means it's exfoliating your skin. So we have now put vitamin C and vitamin A into the skin. So to finish up this routine, we need a moisturizer. Anytime you cleanse, we want to put moisturizer or hydration back on our face because it will tell our pores to create less natural oils and help balance the skin. There's no better way to do this, in my opinion, than 2-in-1 moisturizer that's also sunscreen. You don't have to worry about adding sunscreen later. You can absolutely use this at night. I know you're gonna look at me and be like, really, sunscreen at night? I'm not going to be in the sun. This is a full moisturizer. So the one I have here is the hydrating daily moisturizer. We also have a tinted, and we also have a mattifying, and all 3 are great. So that way you skip a whole step. You don't need an extra moisturizer with antioxidants unless you want one. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon. Bye.